Ever come across a subreddit that breaks Reddit rules or spreads harmful content? You won't believe how simple it is to report it and why most people get it wrong. First, navigate to the subreddit you want to report. On the desktop version, look for the three-dot menu next to the Join button. On mobile, tap the three dots at the top right. Then select Report. Reddit will ask why you're reporting the subreddit. You can choose options like harassment, hate speech, spam, or other violations. Be specific in your explanation. The more details you provide, the easier it is for Reddit moderators to take action. Once submitted, Reddit's Trust and Safety team reviews the report. They may contact you for additional information if needed. Keep in mind that reporting does not guarantee immediate removal, but it alerts the moderators to potential violations. The surprising truth is that many users assume blocking or leaving a subreddit is enough. Reporting is essential if content violates Reddit's policies and helps protect the community. In conclusion, reporting a subreddit is quick, effective, and an important step in maintaining a safe Reddit environment. Do your part and report responsibly. Subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks to navigate the platform safely.